So my biggest takeaway from the event is to have the code repository, the centralized one at one place, so that the developers will not spend like most of their time in writing the code from scratch.
There's a larger move from code-based applications to graphical interfaces, which I think I took the developer track today. There was a code demo, which in an hour we were able to do what I probably would have taken me maybe a week.
So I work in games, and games are a different beast. I think the challenge right now is what is the future of games with AI, and no one has figured out so far. So I'm curious about that.
My biggest takeaway is how I can use some of the workflows that we have discussed today into my work. Like, how can I go back and improve my workflows and use some of the technologies that we have talked about here today into my workflows.
How easy it is to get started using Langflow, just how easy it is to import any data source. Like, you can use URLs from Wikipedia pages and it would just convert that into usable vector data for your application. And then using the API feature, you can just put that straight in whatever web app you have. It's just very simple.
I could see how AI has been simplified. It can just build any tools within minutes from days to hours. So I think that was really helpful for me to understand, because I'm getting into the AI field and I need to, optimize a lot of things.
In finance, there's so much high regulation, which somehow makes some of the advance in Gen AI a bit lower than maybe in other areas. So the low-hanging fruits are in terms of like productivity, which maybe each company can adopt in the back end and help with programmers and developers to develop those tools.
Technology is really getting there where we can plug in our own data sets, orchestrate it in a no-code way. Because it's great to be a developer to see how these things plug in. But I had quite a few use cases, so I'm coming away very inspired and thinking about all the data sets, ways we can use to improve our user interface. It was fantastic.